In this video, you'll learn how to personalize Mailchimp emails using the recipient's first name. By following these steps, you can create a more engaging email experience for your audience. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard, which displays your recent campaigns and account information. Next, locate and click on the Campaigns tab found in the menu on the left side of the screen. This action will take you to a list of your existing campaigns where you can view, edit, or create new campaigns. After that, click on the Create button, which is typically located near the top right corner of the Campaigns page. Once you click this button, you will be directed to a page that allows you to start a new campaign. Type an internal name for your campaign in the provided text box. This name is for your reference only and will not be visible to your email recipients. And ensure the name is descriptive enough for you to identify the campaign later. Then click on the Begin button to proceed. This will lead you to the campaign setup section where you can configure various settings for your email. Once this appears, click on the Close button to exit the setup prompt. You will then be taken back to the main campaign editing interface. Continue by selecting the Design Email option. This will open the email design editor where you can customize the layout and content of your email. Choose a basic layout that fits your campaign needs. Mailchimp offers various templates, so select one that you find appealing and suitable for your message. After selecting a layout, click on the Apply button to confirm your choice. The email editor will then refresh to display the selected layout. Now, click on the text block within the email layout. This will allow you to edit the text content that will appear in the email. Erase any placeholder text that is present in the text block. This action prepares the area for you to add personalized content. Next, personalize the email by typing in the greeting. You can input dear vertical bar fname vertical bar time to automatically insert the recipient's first name in the email. Finally, review your email for any additional edits or adjustments you may want to make. Ensure that everything is set up correctly before moving on to the next steps of your campaign. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.